Welcome to my screencast on bank reconciliation. A bank reconciliation is a process that eliminates the differences between cash balance in a business's records and the cash balance on a bank statement. These differences can occur due to a number of things characterised as either bank unknowns or business unknowns. Step 1 is to reconcile the bank balance. Errors in the bank balance are caused by bank unknowns, which are deposits in transit and outstanding checks. A deposit in transit is a deposit that has been made by the business, however has not yet been processed and posted to the bank statement. Therefore, deposits in transit must be added to the bank balance on the bank reconciliation. An outstanding check is a check that has been distributed by the business but has not yet been processed or cleared by the bank. Therefore, outstanding checks must be subtracted from the bank balance on the bank reconciliation. Once these adjustments are made, the adjusted bank balance should equal the actual cash balance. Step 2 is to reconcile the business records. Business unknowns are bank charges, errors, bounce checks, and interest. Bank charges must be subtracted from the business balance. Interest is usually added to the business balance, and depending on the error, cash may be added or subtracted from the business balance. You must always assume that errors are made by the business. Bounce checks are checks that have been received by the business, however are bounced due to insufficient funds. These are also called non-sufficient fund checks. Therefore, bounce checks must be subtracted from the business cash balance. Once these adjustments are made, the adjusted business records should equal the actual cash balance. The bank reconciliation will look something like this. We can see the bank unknowns have been added or subtracted from the bank cash balance, and then we can see the business unknowns have also been added or subtracted from the business cash record, resulting in the same adjusted cash balance. Now that reconciliations have been determined, the business must record the journal entries required to adjust cash to its actual balance. Now cash has been restored to its true state.